Hello everyone, if you're facing this error on your ARC Raiders online connection error with error code ARAU0287 or online connection error with error code ARAU0137, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix those errors on your ARC Raiders easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to your store on your Xbox and then you're going to search for Xbox Insider Hub, and once you're in there, you're going to open it up and then you're going to click choose what to install and then install Xbox Insider Hub. And after that, you're going to go on to Xbox Insider Hub. You're going to go on to previews and then you're going to select Xbox Update Preview here. And after that, you're going to click join on there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click Xbox Update Preview Omega here and then click save and then wait for it to download the update. And once it's done downloading and installing the update, restart your console. And once you're done restarting your console, now you can open up your console and play ARC Raiders and you'll see that you will not get those errors anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.